How to fix iPhone Face ID not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Here, make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version for the apps to perform smoothly. Next, go back to Settings and then tap on the Face ID and Passcode option and then tap on the Set Up Face ID option and make sure your Face ID is set correctly. If not, then you can try to clean the true depth camera of your iPhone, that is your front camera, and remove any case or screen protector or dirt if it is blocking it. Also, make sure your face is clearly visible while entering the Face ID. And if your issue is not fixed, then go back to settings and tap on the Face ID and passcode option and then tap on the Reset Face ID option. You can then go ahead and set it up again. The next fix is ensure Face ID is turned on for the right features. So, in the Face ID and Passcode tab itself, go ahead and under the Use Face ID for tab, make sure all the toggle buttons are enabled. If not, then enable the toggle buttons in there. The next fix is to force restart your iPhone. So simply quickly press and release the volume up button and then quickly press and release the volume down button and then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will take a forced restart and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then open Settings again and tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset All Settings. Once reset, your issue should have been fixed by now. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone Face ID not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.